The Great Horse Race. The adventure beyond. After the excitement of winning the Golden Horse Trophy, Max and Thunder became local heroes in the village. Everyone loved watching them race together, and Max was filled with pride every time he and Thunder went for a ride through the meadows. But Max had always been curious about the world beyond the village, and now, with Thunder by his side, he felt ready for a new adventure. One evening, as Max was brushing Thunder's mane in the stable, Mr. Henry came over with a twinkle in his eye. "Max, there's something you should know," Mr. Henry said mysteriously. "Beyond the hills lies the Grand Forest. Every year, the kingdom hosts a special race there, the Wildwood Challenge. It's much tougher than our village race, but the reward is a medal of honor, and only the bravest riders enter." Max's heart skipped a beat. The Wildwood Challenge sounded like the adventure of a lifetime, but it also sounded dangerous. "There are tricky trails, streams to cross, and wild animals roaming the woods," Mr. Henry continued. "But if anyone can handle it, it's you and Thunder." Max felt excitement bubbling up inside him. "We're ready," he said with determination. The next day, Max packed a small bag, said goodbye to his family, and with Mr. Henry's guidance, set off with Thunder toward the Grand Forest. As they rode through the countryside, the hills turned into thick woods, and the paths became narrow and winding. Thunder trotted confidently, but Max could feel the tension in the air. The Wildwood Challenge was going to test them both. When they arrived at the edge of the Grand Forest, they were greeted by other riders from all over the kingdom. There were tall horses, small ponies, and even a few riders on majestic white horses that seemed to glow in the sunlight. Max felt a bit nervous. These riders looked strong and experienced. The king's messenger stepped forward, raising a flag. "Welcome, brave riders! The Wildwood Challenge is a race not just of speed, but of courage and teamwork. The first to make it through the forest and reach the crystal waterfall will be declared the winner. But beware, the forest is full of surprises." With that, the riders lined up at the start. Max gave Thunder a reassuring pat. "We've got this, Thunder," he whispered. "Just like before, we'll stick together." The race began, and the riders charged into the forest. Trees towered overhead, and the thick canopy made the path ahead dim. Max guided Thunder carefully, weaving between trees and leaping over logs. Some of the riders raced ahead, but Max knew this race was about more than speed. They had to be smart and steady. Soon, they reached the first challenge, a rushing river with slippery stones. Some horses hesitated, but not Thunder. Max guided him toward a shallow crossing, and with a graceful leap, they made it to the other side. Max cheered softly, feeling the excitement rise. But the forest had more challenges in store. A thick fog rolled in, making it hard to see, and strange noises echoed through the trees. Max and Thunder slowed down, listening carefully. At one point, a family of deer darted across their path, and Thunder stopped just in time. Then, as they approached a steep hill, Max heard a voice calling for help. He pulled Thunder to a stop and looked around. Off the trail, another rider's horse had gotten stuck in a muddy patch, and the rider was struggling to free it. Without a second thought, Max rode over to help. Together with Thunder's strength, they pulled the horse free. The rider, a boy named Liam, thanked Max with a smile. "You're a true friend," Liam said. "Let's finish this race together."